If you can't believe it's already November and you just want to feel cozy and creative again, this video is for you. Today we're going to get inspired with these easy, affordable Christmas DIYs inspired by Coquette to make this winter a little more whimsical. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Today we're going to be diving into a bunch of DIYs that you can do this Christmas. Think Love Shack fancy vibes, but on a dollar store budget. So the first category is all Ballerina inspired. Think pearls, chiffon, bows, lace. Okay, starting with the pearl wreaths because these feel like something you'd see in a Chanel storefront window. All you need is a foam wreath, or honestly, just cut a wreath shape out of cardboard, wrap it in ribbon if you want to hide the base, then just start going in and gluing on faux pearl beads, available at the dollar store. You can even use pearlescent bulbs in different sizes for a more expensive look. And with the exact same supplies, you can make matching pearl trees. Just roll paper into a cone shape and glue pearls up the sides. And this doesn't have to be just pearls either. Use whatever beads you have laying around. Chiffon trees. Grab a roll of tulle from Dollarama and wrap it around a cone shape that's made out of paper or styrofoam. You can go the extra mile and pin them with pearls or other mini charms. These can be super small ornament size or literally a full-size tree. Chiffon wreath. And with that same supplies, you can make a chiffon wreath. You can ruche the tulle around a wire circle or cut out cardboard and tie tiny strips of tulle around the cardboard. Pastel colors look so soft and romantic in tulle. You can even make a version with removable decor and reuse the wreath again at Easter. Tulle skirt. Okay, this is the last time I'm bringing tulle into the equation, but these are sweet. These are just like putting a little tutu on your tree. It's just a circle of fabric with a bow on it. Fake the ruffles, super easy. Spray paint pinkmas. Pro tip, if in doubt, spray paint it pink. Pine cones, garlands, whatever. Instead of buying an expensive pink Christmas tree, spray paint it yourself. Okay, next category is ornaments. Paint pour bulb. Okay, you've probably seen the Anthropology paint pour bulbs that went viral because the originals were like hundreds of dollars. You can make them with iridescent fillable dollar store bulbs by swirling paint inside. Just thin your paint with a little bit of rubbing alcohol so it flows softly and looks dreamy. Glitter ornaments. Same technique as the paint pour bulbs, but with glitter. Add some Mod Podge or glue and glitter inside the bulb and shake gently. These remind me of like the 90s frosted lipstick, but inside of a Christmas bulb. If you don't have fillable bulbs, you can do external glitter. You can even do different colors of glitter if you let each layer dry and then dip into a different color. This doesn't just have to be on a bulb either. You can brush Mod Podge on any ornament and dip it in glitter. Pearl ornaments. These look like something straight out of a Dior window frame. You can glue pearls or rhinestones onto any bulb, color the whole thing, or just dot them for a polka dot look. Add a bow for the final touch. Stuffed ornaments. Use the same fillable bulbs as before and pack them with pearls, lace, glitter, tinsel, tiny ribbon, fabric scraps, literally anything that feels a little whimsical. It's a great way to use up scrap fabric that you've been saving all year but haven't had a purpose for. It's like a little memory ornament for all the creations that you made this year. Okay, I saved the most unhinged ornaments for last. When I first saw these, I was like, what am I looking at? I think they're super weird and whimsical, but in the best way. They have so much personality, I kind of like them. If you have random sewing scraps, lace, trims, bows, cutest way to use them. Painted bulb. You can paint simple motifs like bows, hearts, stars. Some of these are really cute and I wish I was better at painting. That's kind of like on my list of things to get better at. Okay, if you hate bows, feel free to skip this next category because we are entering dangerous territory right now, okay? Bow core. Bow garland. This is another Anthropology dupe. This original was $128 US. You can totally make this yourself and make it exactly how you want, out of any color ribbon, any size bow you want. If you like the look of bows but don't want a whole bow garland, I love this look as well. Bow wreath. Take a basic wreath and add a bow. Very classic, timeless piece. You can use as many bows as you want. Hell, you can make the whole wreath out of bows. Bow candlesticks. I think that just tying ribbon onto a candlestick completely changes the mood of a room. I love these as a centerpiece for your table. Okay, this is a little bit extra, but I kind of like it. Just clip or tie bows on tops of curtains or on tie backs or shower curtains. I think it's super festive, but you can also do it year-round. Okay, this next one is a little bit controversial, like putting bows all over your cabinets indoors. Is this too much? This is what I mean when bows can get dangerous. Please let me know in the comments what you think and if you would ever do this. Bow ornaments. Of course, we have to tie bows into tree ornaments. Tiny ones, little trailing ribbons, anything that gives movement. I like the look of them spaced a little unevenly. Makes it look more whimsical and less like a Pinterest robot did it. Okay, this next category is soft girl textures. I'm talking pipe cleaners, yarn, felt, all very cheap to make. Pipe cleaner tree. Thank you to Daria on TikTok for making these pipe cleaner crafts go viral. These trees are super cute. There's a ton of different tutorials on how to make them online. Because the pipe cleaners are bendy, you can shape them into little swirls and curls and make it extra whimsical. You can also add tiny charms, bows, and pearls as decorations. I think this pink tree is my favorite. Pipe cleaner wreath. Just grab literally anything circular, then twist your pipe cleaner around it like you're braiding someone's hair. Hang it with a bow, throw some pearls on it, and add dangling charm in the middle. I love that you can make these in any size too, like you can make a bunch of little tiny ornaments or one really big one to put on your door. The last pipe cleaner craft I have is pipe cleaner ornaments in general. Since they're so cheap, I mean, why not go in and make a ton of little ornaments? You can make candy canes. These snowflakes are super cute too. Okay, the next subcategory of this is pom-poms. Basically, for all of these, you just need to get down how to make these little yarn pom-poms. They're so easy. You just need yarn and a fork and scissors. The most basic of them is the yarn pom-pom ornament. First off, if you're just making one, you can make these cute little ornaments. These look so cute on a tree. It just adds a little bit of texture and softness, and you can make them in different sizes, different colors. Then you can take it to the next level, and you can make yarn pom-pom garland. String pom-poms that you've made onto twine or ribbon. Hang it on your mantle, your headboard, your windows, on a bookshelf, across your mirror. You can also make a yarn pom-pom tree. Grab a cone shape and hot glue pom-poms all over it. If you want it extra fluffy, use chunky yarn for the pom-pom so that the tree looks like a plushie. Okay, and I saved my favorite yarn pom-pom. I'm tired of saying yarn pom-pom. Okay, and I've left my favorite pom-pom craft to last. These wreaths. Take a cardboard ring, hot glue a million pom-poms to it until no cardboard is visible. Or mix pastels for full coquette. And don't get me started on these little deer. I love these deers. Okay, and then the last in this category is felt ornaments. Felt ornaments are perfect for beginner sewers because you only really need to know how to do the most basic hand stitch. If you don't want to sew, I think that you could probably use glue for these. Candy canes, mini mittens, gingerbread cookies. You can go the extra mile and add beads, pearls, sequins, whatever you have. I'm obsessed with these little sugar cookie ones. Okay, and finally, gingerbread house core. This category is all gingerbread houses, but not necessarily made out of gingerbread. Okay, so first, gingerbread houses, obviously. For coquette vibe, think pastel frosting, pearl candies, lace piping patterns, tiny bows made out of fondant, edible glitter sprinkled everywhere, painted mini houses. I feel like these blew up last year. I think they're dangerously addictive to make. Once you paint one of these little cottages, suddenly you want a full village and a tiny little mayor and a backstory for every citizen. You can get little wooden or ceramic houses from Dollarama, Michael's, or thrift shops. Okay, gingerbread bags. This is making your own wrapping paper, but gingerbreadified. Start with plain craft gift bags. Dollarama has them in every size. Then you trim the corners to give the roof its shape. Then go in with white paint markers or white gel pen as if you're decorating a gingerbread house. You can also make gingerbread tags. Just do the same thing with brown craft paper or even cardboard to make name tags. If you get hooked on making the bags, then why not make parcels too? All you need is brown craft paper rolls, use the same white paint pens, and then finish it off by adding cream satin ribbon around the parcel. Okay, I hope your holiday spirit is fully activated. If you end up making any of these, please tag me. I would love to see any of your creations. If you have any more ideas to add to the coquette list, please leave it in the comments. Love to know. I hope you feel inspired, cozy, and yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye!